Alrighty, here we go. Cold start part 2, version 2. Fuel pump's prime. As you can see, we are an import shop. Here, let me turn off the car. Baby girl's kind of loud. So a lot of people pointed out what's all been done to it. So this engine was built by Maple Racing in Houston, Texas. And his name is James Belair of Maple Racing. So what he did, we did, previously the rear rotor went out. So we got a new rotor housing, got everything cleaned up, everything new from Mazda. It's a large street port, half Bridgeport for the cool rotary sounds that makes all the magics and whistles and all the magic happen. Yeah, that's what I meant. So yes, everybody always asks, like, why is your battery in the front? Well, that's what the fucking relocator kit that came with the car was for this. I don't want to have the battery in the back. I don't like having the battery in the back. I don't like having the battery inside the car. I'll have it in the trunk, but it's already there. Why change it? We added a catch can. Now, the one thing that I did not upgrade, or I wish I could have upgraded, was this from Elite Rotary Shop. Drop-in tunnel. Or drop-in oil pickup tube, not oil pickup tube, oil filler neck.